are going to be what is it called? Seeing which knife is better, Balisong or Karambit. So let's go. I'll see. Start the game.
Okay. Oh, I thought I got a skin for a second.
Start the game.
Joy!
Oh.
Okay.
We recorded a video just like this, but we were on Discord, so it messed up the audio.
Who is dancing?
Oh, we might have to use sniper.
We're trying to see who's right with.
Oh, these are sleds right here.
Oh, sweat. I have so much hair. Oh, oh my gosh. Please. Give me the kill. Yes.
Dude! Holy beam with energy pistols.
Alright, buddy.
This is not even fair. Bop, bop, bing. Dude, let me get my knife out, bro. Nade. Ah.
When? This is the only way. Where are you?
Dude, holy.
Oh!
Alright, that's one, cause that match didn't count because I wasn't recording.
I got two.
So that's one. No, that's one.
I got two.
Because that match didn't count because I forgot to record. Wait.
Oh my gosh.
You got one, buddy. Bro! Oh, yes! Oh my gosh.
Click the recording. I'm about to cut this thing. I'm sniping this kid, guys.
Bro, we need to snipe, bro.
Alright. It's the last time I was using real weapons.
Oh, shoot.
This good one.
I didn't use sniper.
Wait! I don't know. I don't care what y'all saying.
Yes!
Oh my.
I got that kill.
He's my.
Where? Hit a 40. Oh.
No.
Holy, bro. Why you have to be so toxic?
You really want to be this toxic in the middle of the game?
Bro, why does he have to
What
be so
utility
toxic?
are you using?
Let's go. Come here. This being so toxic right now, buddy. Why?
I don't know who you're trying to mess with.
Bro, there was a comment on my short that I just posted, and it said I like your voice.
I got 5 kills.
Pop up the image.
5 kills.
It said I like your voice.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, drive 4. We gotta lock in.
Bow, daggers, knife.
How did he hit me?
Oh my gosh. She is on a roll. Why you wanna test your luck when you know I'm on a roll? What?
The moral of the story here?
Is never use Karambit.
Nice.
Karambit sucks.
You done did it. Yay!